Hi students, this class I am going to explain some more problems of evaluation of determinants by using its properties. By using properties of determinant, show that x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4 is equal to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. Let us take given determinant LHS is equal to this one. You may observe here diagonal x plus 4 is there, remaining all are 2x, 2x, 2x. You may add all columns, otherwise all rows. You will get the same result. Now I am changing R1. R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. X plus 4 2x plus 2x plus 2x means 5x plus 4. Here also 2x, x 3x, 3x, 2x, 5x plus 4. Here also 2x plus 2x plus x, 5x plus 4. Here you may observe 5x plus 4 is possible to take common. Then 5x plus 4 if you take outside, here 1, 1, 1. We are not changing row to row 3. Whenever any row or column 1, 1, 1 is there, make second element is 0, third element also 0. Then how to make C2 minus C1, C3 minus C1. C2 changes to C2 minus C1. Now let us come. 1 minus 1 0, x plus 4 minus 2x, x plus 4 minus 2x, 4 minus x, 2x minus 2x 0. Then next come to C3 changes to C3 minus C1. This is 1 minus 1 is 0, 2x minus 2x is 0, x plus 4 minus 2x, that is 4 minus x. Then whenever in a row first element is 1, remaining element 0, 0. Now expand along with row 1. Then this is 5x plus 4, 1 into, remove this row and this column. You will get 4 minus x 0, 0, 4 minus x. Remaining terms 0, 0 is there, no need to write. Then cross multiply 4 minus x into 4 minus x, 4 minus x whole square. That is 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. This is RHS. Next question. By using properties of determinants, show that this determinant is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube. Let us take LHS. Take LHS is given determinant. We required a plus b plus c whole cubed. Then first elements a, b, c. Here b, c is there. R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. A minus b plus 2b plus 2c. That is minus b plus 2b b minus c plus 2c is plus c. You will get a plus b plus c. Here 2a plus b minus c minus a plus 2c. This is minus c plus 2c 1c. This is 2a minus a. You will get a plus b plus c. Here also 2a plus 2b plus c minus a minus b. 1a will get cancelled, 1b will get cancelled. A plus b plus c. We are not changing R2, R3. We are keeping as it is R2 and R3. Now you may observe here each element in the first row is a plus b plus c. Take a plus b plus c common. Then you will get 1, 1, 1. These two rows same as it is. Here first row is 1, 1, 1. So make the second element is 0. This one is also 0. How to make C2 changes to C2 minus C1, C3 changes to C3 minus C1. You keep C1 as it is. C2 changes to C2 minus C1. Change C2. 1 minus 1 0. b minus c minus a minus 2b. This is equal to b will get cancelled, 1b minus c minus a minus b. Then 2c minus 2c is 0. Next, c3 changes to c3 minus c1. That is 1 minus 1 is 0. 2b minus 2b is 0. C minus a minus b minus 2c is equal to minus a minus b minus c. Then expand along with row 1. 1 into a plus b plus c will write as it is. 1 into, remove this row and this column. Then you will get minus c minus a minus b, take minus common, minus of a plus b plus c, 0. Here is 0. Take minus common, minus of a plus b plus c. Now expand it, cross multiply, minus into minus plus, a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c into a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a plus b plus c whole cubed. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Next question. By using properties of determinant, show that this determinant is equal to 2 times of x plus y plus z whole cubed. Let us take LHS. LHS is equal to given determinant. Then here x plus y plus z, x, y. Add c1 plus c2 plus c3. Change c1. C1 is changing to c1 plus c2 plus c3. X plus y plus 2z plus x plus y. That means 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Then z plus y plus z plus 2x plus y. Z plus z 2z. 2x already is there. Y plus y 2y. You will get 2x 2y 2z. Same way z plus x plus z plus x. Z plus x plus 2y. 2z plus 2x plus 2y. Now in the first column, each element is 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Take common. Now we will get 1, 1, 1. Here you may observe first column, all the elements 1, 1, 1. Whenever 1, 1, 1 is second element, third element, make it 0. How we will make it is 0? Then 1 minus 1. That means here R2 minus R1. First of all, you will make R2 minus R1. R1 write as it is. 1 minus 1, 0. Then y plus z plus 2x minus x. 1x will get cancelled, x plus y plus z. Y minus y is equal to 0. Now, come to R3 changes to R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then x minus x. X minus x is 0. Then z plus x plus 2y minus y. 1y will get cancelled, z plus x plus y. That is x plus y plus z. Now expand along with C1, column 1. Then 2 into x plus y plus z. Here because 2x plus 2y plus 2z, we have taken 2 outside. 2 into x plus y plus z. 1 into, remove this column and this row. You will get x plus y plus z, 0. Then 0 x plus y plus z. Evaluate this one. Evaluate means cross multiply. X plus y plus z whole square. 0 into 0, no need to write. Here 2 into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z whole square. This is 2 into x plus y plus z whole cubed. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Yes, next question. By using properties of determinant, show that 1x x square 1x x square 1 is equal to 1 minus x cubed whole square. Let us take LHS. Let us take LHS. 1x x square 1x x square 1. You may take any row or column. Same elements are there. 1x x square. R1 change to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This problem you may change C1 also. C1 plus C2 plus C3 will get the same result. then you will get 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, x plus x square. R2 and R3 will same. Now we may observe in R1 each element is same, 1 plus x square. Take it common, 1 plus x square. You will get 1, 1, 1. Remaining these two rows same you will not get any change. In this row, whenever 1, 1, 1 is there, make this is 0, then make this is also 0. How we will make C2 changes to C2 minus C1? Then you write 1 plus x square. First row we are, first column we are not changing, 1 x square x. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus x square minus x. Now this element also make 0, then that is C3 changes to C3 minus C1. Then 1 minus 1 is 0, x minus x square, this is 1 minus x, 1 minus x. Expand the determinant by using first row because the elements here 1, 0, 0 is there. Now we will get 1 plus x square, 1 into, remove this row and this column. Remaining elements 1 minus x square, x minus x square minus x, 1 minus x. Here 0, 0, no need to write. Now we may observe 1 minus x square, write down 1 plus x into 1 minus x. X minus x square, take x common, 1 minus x. Here also, here everywhere 1 minus x is there. Here if you are taking x common, you will get x minus 1. That's why take minus x common, minus x into 1 minus x. Now we may take 1 minus x common from first row and similar way take 1 minus x in the second row. That means 1 plus x square. First row 1 minus x, second row 1 minus x. Remaining terms 1 plus x, here is x, here is minus x. Here we have taken 1 minus x common, you will get 1. Now expand this one. This is 1 plus x into 1 is equal to 1 plus x. Minus into minus, minus into minus plus. X into x square. Then you are getting 1 plus x square. Here also 1 plus x square. Write down 1 plus x square whole square. Here is 1 minus x whole square. Then it is whole square is there. Write down for entire terms whole square. This is 1 minus x into 1 plus x square whole square. You know a cubed minus b cubed formula, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That means 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. Possible to write 1 cubed minus x cubed. That is 1 minus x cubed whole square. This is RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Yes, this is one of the important question. By using properties of determinants, show that this determinant is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square whole cubed. Let us take LHS. LHS is equal to the given determinant. You may observe RHS, we have to show that RHS is 1 plus a square plus b square whole cubed. That means we require 1 plus a square plus b square. Here 1 plus a square minus b square is there. That's why you multiply this term with b, then you will get minus 2b square. Then subtract this one minus this one, because minus minus will become plus. This is C1 changes to C1 minus BC3. Now you may observe here C1 minus BC3, first element 1 plus a square plus 1 plus a square minus b square, minus of minus plus 2b square. Then this is minus b square plus 2b square is b square. Then you are getting 1 plus a square plus b square. In C1, second element, here 2ab minus bc3 minus b into c3 means this also will come 2ab. 2ab minus 2ab is 0. Then come to third element, 2b minus b into this element bc3. Now 2b minus b into 1 minus a square minus b square. Open the bracket, 2b minus b minus minus plus ba square minus minus plus b cubed. This is 2b minus b is b, ba square b cubed. Then this is b plus a square b plus b cubed. ba square or a square b is same. This is first column is changed. Now come to second column. See here 2ab is there. Here 1 minus a square plus b square is there. I want to make this is also 1 plus a square. How it will come 1 plus a square? You multiply this element with a, then you will get 2a square. You add it. 2a square minus a square will come. C2 changes to C2 plus AC3. Then 2AB minus 2B into A, 2AB. 2AB minus 2AB is 0. Yes, next element. 1 minus A square plus B square. Here what is C2 plus AC3. Multiply this one with A and add it. This is 2A square will come. You may observe here. C2 plus AC3 is equal to 1 minus A square plus B square. 2A into A, 2A square. Minus A square plus 2A square is A square. This is 1 plus A square plus B square. Now come to third element. This is minus 2A plus A times of this element. A because C2 plus AC3. A times of 1 minus A square minus B square. Open the bracket, minus 2A plus A minus A cubed minus AB square. Minus 2A plus A is minus A cubed minus AB square. Write down this one, minus A cubed minus AB square. We are not changing C3, keep as it is C3. Please, this problem is very, very important. Once again, you observe carefully. Next, here, take B common in first column, third element. Then if you are taking B common here, B into 1 plus A square plus B square. Here already 1 plus A square plus B square is there. Here minus A take outside. You will get 1 plus A square plus B square. Now, take 1 plus A square plus B square common in C1 as well as C2. Yes, take 1 plus A square plus B square common from first column. That is 1 plus A square plus B square. Here 1, here 0. Then we are taking this term common, you will get B. Again take 1 plus A square plus B square from second column. Then again 1 plus A square plus B square will come outside. First element is 0. Then 1 plus A square plus B square is 1. Now we are taking 1 plus A square plus B square common. You are getting here minus A. You keep third column as it is. Now expand this one by using first row. Then 1 plus A square plus B square whole square. 1 into first element here. 1 into, remove this row and column. 1 2A minus A. 1 minus A square minus B square. Minus 0 into whatever the term, no need to write because 0 into anything is equal to 0. Then minus 2B into, remove this row and this column. 0 1 B minus A. Evaluate this one. This is 1 plus A square plus B square whole square. 1 into 1 minus A square minus B square. Minus into minus plus 2a square. Next, minus 2b into 0 into minus a is 0 minus b. Here plus 2a square minus a square is plus a square, these two terms. Then 1 we are writing. Now minus b square also we are writing as it is. Minus into minus plus 2b square. Here minus b square plus 2b square is equal to b square. Here you are getting 1 plus a square plus b square. Already here 1 plus a square plus b square whole square is there. Then this is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Yes, this is also one of the important question. By using properties of determinant, show that this determinant is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Given determinant is this one, LHS. Now here taking a, b, c common from R1, R2, R3 respectively. Take a from R1. If you are taking a from R1, this is divided by a will get. You are taking a outside. Then this will, if you are taking a common, what is this one? A square by a, that is a plus 1 by a. You are taking here a common, you will get b. Here you are taking a common, you are getting c. Then take b from R2. Then b you are taking common. Then here you will get a. If you are taking b common here means here b square 1b is coming outside b. Here there is no b term. That's why you will write 1 by b. Because 1 by b into b is equal to 1 will come. Then take b common. Here you are getting c. Take c from R3. If you are taking c from R3 you will get a. Here you are taking c common, you will get b. Here you are taking c common means c square, you will get c. Here 1 is there. How it is possible to take c means write down this is 1 is equal to c into 1 by c. C into 1 by c. If you are taking c common means you will get 1 by c. Now multiply c1, c2, c3 by a, b, c respectively. Multiply column 1 by a. When we are multiplying with a, then you have to divide outside, divide by a. Then this is a into a plus 1 by a. A into a square. A into 1 by a is 1. Then a into a square. This is also a into a square. Again multiply column 2 by c. If you are multiplying column by b, then you have to divide outside by b. Then this is b into b square. B into b plus 1 by b square plus 1. Again b into b is equal to b square. Multiply column 3 by c. Then c into c square. Second element c into c square. C into c plus 1 by c. That is c square plus 1. Here we are getting first row a square plus 1, b square, c square. Each row also the same terms are there. Then you may observe we required RHS 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So change c1 as c1 plus c2 plus c3. Now we will get ABC get cancelled. Now we add c1 plus c2 plus c3. We are changing c1. That is a square plus 1 b plus b square plus c square. That is 1 plus a square plus b square. Second element also same 1 plus a square plus b square. Third one also you may observe a square plus b square plus c square plus 1. It is nothing but 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Now c2, c3 we are not changing, keep as it is. Now take common 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square from column 1. Then 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Here you will get 1, 1, 1. C2, C3 we are not changing. Whenever one row or column 1, 1, 1 is there, better to make second element 0. This is also 0. Then how to make this is 0? R2 changes to R2 minus R1. Now this is R2 changes to R2 minus R1 means we are keeping R1 as it is. 1 minus 1 is 0. B square plus 1 minus B square will get cancelled 1. C square minus C square is 0. Then R3 changes to R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1 is 0. B square minus B square is 0. C square plus 1 minus C square. C square will get cancelled. It is 1. Now we are getting 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square into this determinant. Now evaluate the determinant by using first column, because here first column is 1, 0, 0 is there. This is 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. This 1 into, remove this row and this column. You are getting 1, 0, 0, 1. This is 0, 0, no need to write here. Then evaluate this determinant. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 0. Otherwise this is identity. If you are taking matrices also, identity matrix. This is 1 into 1, 1. Therefore it is equal to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. For mathematics worksheets and CBSE previous year board papers, please visit my blog www.srinumaths.wordpress.com. Thank you.